All right, guys, the next assignment, the next video assignment I'm going to make is to make a video where you describe the movements I made to turn one triangle into another. So I'm going to turn this green triangle. I took this green triangle, I performed some transformations to it, and I turned it into the black triangle. So what I want you to tell me is what transformations did I use? So in order to do that, I'm going to give you an example so you understand what I'm looking for. Okay, so I've given this triangle right here, right? So then I'm going to take this triangle, and I realize when I look at them that they're not sitting in the same way. So that means I didn't just translate it. Translating is sliding left to right, up or down, or both. And this clearly has been turned. This is not oriented the same way. So clearly I have rotated this triangle. Now again, you could have translated then rotated, or rotated then translated, but clearly I have performed at least a rotation on this triangle. So what I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get them aligned in the same way. So I'm going to rotate this triangle 90 degrees clockwise. And then it looks like this. Because as you rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, 0, 5 becomes 5, 0, negative 7, 3 becomes 3, 7, and negative 4, negative 2 becomes negative 2, 4. Everything turned 90 degrees clockwise. Now you can see that these two triangles are oriented the same way. They look the same size, the same shape. Everything about them is the same. It's just this one has been moved. It's been slid over. It's been translated. So how did I do that? Well, I took the point 5, 0 and I added 3 to it, and then I added 2 to the y. So it added 3 to the x, 2 to the y. It slid 3 units over and 2 units up. Well, same thing happened to negative 2, 4. If you take negative 4 and negative 2, 4, and you add 3 to the x and 2 to the y, you get 1, 6. If you take 3, 7, and you add 3 to the x and 2 to the y, you get 6, 9. So that's how I translated this triangle. So how would I write that? Well, this is how you'd write it. You'd write, I rotated the triangle 90 degrees clockwise. I translated the triangle by using the coordinate notation of x plus 2, y plus 3. Very simple. Again, the video shouldn't be long. It doesn't have to be super complicated, but I just want you to be able to explain what translations I used. Thanks.